This is a story about Tommy and Elaine. Just another case about the wrong path. It's gonna get you.
Tommy was a nobody throughout his childhood years. Scrubby clothes, parents wrote, no friends amongst his peers. Junior high arrived, so depressed inside. Late one evening, he even tried to take his own life. Yo, his mom found a knife with his wrist sliced, laying on the floor of his room with no lights. Doctors put him on some meds for his depression. When mom prayed nightly, asking God to bless him.
Okay, I need to do it again.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, not the same spot.
It's even shorter than mine.
It's the same spot. Why?
It's gonna go through your head next time.
Oh, that's weak. Oh wait, just kidding.
Hey, remember, no temple. That it's right here, no temple.
So we're not right here.
Yeah. Oh man.
Look! Hey, wait,
I thought she was letting out like.